welcome back to another episode of Eric's Backyard Adventures. Today we're gonna tackle this dirty chain, get her cleaned up and lubed up and working real good. I'm gonna take this cover off because I did notice as I was going through this that I had some binding up in here. Look at all that dirt. No matter how good you clean it, you still got crap that you still need to address. So I thought I did a good job, but look at all that. Gave her a good cleaning last time, but if you actually notice right here, it is all caked up with dirt. So what we're gonna do is soak it in there, trying to get as much dirt out as possible. You're gonna want to get yourself one of these little brushes here. Amazing job, gets in all the nooks and crannies. Now, I'll have a few disclaimers in this video as I get to them, but I've had people, after they do their chain, get them really clean. They spray it with WD-40 to displace the water. I mean, you do you. In the end, as long as you can get all the WD-40 off the chain and then coat it with some chain lube, should be good to go for storage-wise or your next ride. But I did not expect there to be that much crap caked up in here. Alright. I'm going to give it a little bit of a spray with this LA's Totally Awesome. Works great. That's why I sprayed the bike down a little bit, because I don't want this to be too concentrated on everything and eat the seals or whatnot. But with diluted water, it's perfectly fine and safe. This stuff works amazing for many applications. All right. Try and get all four sides of the chain. You will have to rotate the tire a little bit. Some people also use pressure washers on their bikes. I mean, you don't want to force that water into spots where it really shouldn't go. So again, it's to your discretion. There's a rock there. Not a good spot to have rocks, eh? Again, this is with me thinking that I did a really good clean on this bike. Left the chain for you guys to see, and apparently I did not do a very good clean either way. Spin the tire a bit. Get the next section. Now we'll give it a rinse off here. See how much better it looks. Yeah, as I was saying, WD-40. You can use pressurized air. Just gotta watch where you're kind of going. You don't want to break any seals or put contaminants behind seals. That'd be your number one problem. give it one more little spray down and scrub. And once I'm done this, I will probably let it air dry. Then I'll come back with an air nozzle, hit it with a very low PSI, or just give it a big distance if I can't get the PSI down. Again, you don't want to force contaminants where they don't belong. Try and get your sprockets done too. I mean, you don't want grit on any of the teeth kind of getting meshed between the chain. Just increases your wear and tear. Alright, we'll come back when she's pretty dry. Get on to the next step. Alright, here we are back a little bit while later. Most of the water's gone. There's still a tiny bit left down there, yeah. Alright, we're back a little bit later. We're just going to blow off the chain a little bit. Still a little damp in a couple of spots. Well, actually, it's soaking wet. Do this at your own discretion. Tighten that bad boy up. We're gonna lube it up with some Pro Honda chain oil. You do not want to get this stuff on anything but the actual chain. So if you do get it anywhere, get a little wipe and it'll be good to go. Well, I hope you learned something today at Eric's Backyard Adventures. And we clean the chain real good with LA Totally Awesome, water, and a scrub brush. Let it air dry for a bit. Then we hit it with the air nozzle action, fully dry it out, and then lubed up the chain, put everything back together. So she's good for another ride. Chain's protected from the elements. See you next time.